Hey guys, how are y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you that if you're finding a user on your Pinterest application or website and that is showing you that the user is not available, how can you fix this error and find that user on your Pinterest application? First of all guys, these type of errors usually happens upon your network connection. You just have to make sure that you have a better network connection or high speed internet connection on your mobile phone to find any user or run your Pinterest application smoothly. So firstly, we just check our Wi-Fi or data here from my upside menu on my mobile phone. You can see that there is Wi-Fi full network in my phone. Just after doing this thing, you just have to swipe to downwards, click on the airplane mode here. You just have to switch on your airplane mode and switch it off after 3 or 5 seconds, because we just need to refresh our mobile phone network. Maybe it's your data connection and maybe it's your Wi-Fi connection. So we just have to refresh our mobile phone here. After doing all these things, simply find your Pinterest application here on your application manager, and this is my Pinterest. You can see I will tap it for 3 or 4 seconds here. Click on the app information for this application, my Pinterest application. If you're using this on Chrome browser, so you can just click Chrome browser instead of this application. Just after it, you have to click on the storage usage option on the first. Click on that option here, and you can see there is cache, that is 1.69 MB of cache or junk files in this application. So the last step is to clear all the cache or junk files from your application here, and after you have that, your application will be refreshed and you are ready to use it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.